Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my daily update for gold, Dow Jones and Nasdaq. We will try to see the trading behavior of these instruments with the US cash session. We should try to find out where we can enter, where we can exit and what should be our take profits. Everything we gonna analyze with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. The weekly analysis will be uploaded tomorrow for major global markets and commodities including gold, silver, oil, natural gas, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, FTSE 100, Germany and India index. So do press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest analysis. Now let's start the day with gold first. Gold right now trading at 1916 levels. So this is the 4-hour charts. Here we have seen the reversal candle and then in uptrend it has seen higher highs 1918 levels it has achieved. Also if you look at this, it is the higher top of this channel, you can clearly see which it has tried to achieve. I think the high is done. Probably if it tries to break, it may try to again head towards 1922, 1924 if it breaks 1918 again. However, I think that is the high we were looking forward to. It has already seen. Now look closely at the 4-hour charts. You can find that the bullishness here is, see, this is the support here at 1890 levels. With this as support, it has tried to rise here and you can see continuously upward trending channel. However, the bullishness here is diminishing. You can see the body size here is diminishing, hence a very clear cut resistance here at 1920 levels. And then if it breaks 1920, we can expect 1922 may provide a little resistance, so trade accordingly. However, it appears the bullishness is trying to diminish. I will be cautious around these levels at 1918, 1920 levels. It may try to come back on the downside a bit. How far this could come down? 1910 is a good support, and below 1910 it can come back again till towards 1900 2 and 1895. But this is just on 4-hour charts. We'll look into other charts as well, and at the end I will give you the trading levels. Look, this is overbought on the 4-hour charts and hence it has to drop. Look, this is also wide and divergent. It has to converge from here, and if it is, you see RSI is near to overbought levels. And if you look at 3-hour charts, similarly on the 3-hour charts, see, consistent, but here you can see lower highs. So yes, if you see it trading below 1914 levels, and you can expect it to drop a bit below 1914, we can expect how far this could come. The first support is here at around 1908 levels. So below 1914 you can expect 1910, 1908 levels to provide a little support. Below that we may see a stronger fall which will try to bring it towards 1895 levels, which is very strong support. Look, this is overbought, extremely overbought on the 3-hour charts. It needs a drop. Similarly, the MACD is trying to converge. Probably it has to converge sharply and crossover for it to act bearish, and we need some red candles for that. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, see, consistently lower highs, but it is in green. It is not willing to break, it is not willing to rise, consolidating in between these levels. Any drop here below 1914, you can go short there. This is a reversal candle, and probably below 1914 levels we may see a good drop which will try to take it towards downside. First target 1908, next target 1903, and below that 1897, 95 can be achieved. And overbought on the 2-hour charts as well. And if you look at the MACD, it is wide and divergent, and RSI is overbought here on the 2-hour charts as well. So yes, this is what we can see. Now let's come back to the daily charts. On the daily candle you will find, see, the candle is extremely bullish. Also look at this. On the daily charts you can find that it has come out of this channel. This was the channel in which it was trading. This is a reversal breakout candle. The support at 1900 and 1890 levels, very much strong support exists there. Also look at this, there is a high or resistance at around 18, 19. Beyond 1918 we can expect 1922 and 25 levels. In fact, beyond that it can try to rise strongly. But however, yes, there is a greener candle expectation. The candle is already green. It has already covered almost, you can say, $20 move, and which is already bought it. The high at around 1922 can be expected, and if it breaks 1922 you can expect 1928-30 zone, which is a very strong resistance for any upward move. Yes, daily candle stochastic is, yes, still looking upwards. MACD is trying to convert. See, a sharp convergence is seen here. And yes, the RSI is looking upward. See, on the minor time frames including 1H, 2H, 3H, 4H, yes, it is extremely overbought. It needs a little drop, hence one can expect a little drop below 1914 levels. Below that you can expect 1908, 1903 levels, and from there also you can expect that the later towards the end of the day it may try to rise again, closing towards 1910 levels. This is my expectation. Also, yes, if you can go long, if you see it trading above 1920, you can go long. There you can expect 1922-24 zone and then 28-30 zone. These two levels can be expected some, but keep the stop losses at cost for gold right now. Why? Because this is overbought on the minor time frames, and hence it can sustain the overbought levels, but I expect that it may try to drop first before it looks forward to a rise. Hence, please trade strictly with stop loss above 1920 levels and keep your stop loss at cost, or else at worst towards 1917 levels. So trade accordingly. On the downside, you can take a short entry at 1914 or 1913.5 levels. Below that you can expect 1910, 1908 and 1905, 1902, and below that 1897 levels can also be expected. Take your positions accordingly. This is all for gold. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. See, Nasdaq 100 seen a reversal here, and after four consistent green candles it has tried to reverse. Now probably if it breaks this zone at 13250, we can expect a sharper drop this time, which will try to take it towards 13200, which is a very strong support, and below that it will again try to come back till towards 13100 and 13040 levels. I'll be cautious there. And if you look at the 2-hour stochastic, it is looking downwards and it is trying to enter into oversold zone. MACD is trading in green on the 2-hour charts, trying to converge and cross over, enter into sell zone. And if you look at the RSI is near to oversold levels. And if you look at the 3-hour charts here, on the 3-hour charts, this is, see the candle size here, this is the reversal candle here and minor retracement, and after this is a second red candle with the stop loss at 13300. One can stay short here, but the first target at 13240, then 13180 levels is there, and below that if it breaks below 13180, one can expect 13150 and 13100. Below that only, if it breaks 13100, we can expect a sharper drop. Today is the last day for the trading, and today is the last day of the month for this trade, and hence trade with caution. It can try to swing a bit on the upside if it tries to break this zone at 13300. Then only I will recommend, rather I will say 13350, then only I will recommend you to go long. Look at the 3-hour stochastic looking downwards, MACD trying to converge, and if you look at the RSI is in comfort zone, neither overbought nor oversold. Look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour chart, it appears that once, see, first of all let's try to find out the support. It is trading near the support, and that is why I say once it breaks 13240, you can go short. Below that 13180 190 zone may provide a support. Below that it will try to hit 13100 and 13000 levels, and a sharper drop can be expected below 13240 levels. 4-hour stochastic looking downwards, MACD trying to converge and crossover, RSI is near to comfort zone. And now let's have a look at the daily charts here. On the daily charts, see, I told you in today's analysis that, see, this candle, previous candle is of importance. They were bulls, however bulls lost the control and the candle was almost the half the size of the previous candle, leaving a upper shadow, a stronger upper shadow. Now today probably, see, it has to break, or first it has to achieve in fact this zone at 13120 level. So if it breaks below 13240, we can expect 13120 levels can be achieved, and in fact below 13120 we may see a sharper drop towards 13000 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Short below 13240 levels. Daily stochastic looking upwards, MACD trying to converge and cross over for a buy, but a red candle today will again make it diverge. RSI is near to comfort zone. Now considering this, let me give you the trading levels for the day. Now a long entry is only beyond 13340 levels. Beyond that one can expect 13400 and 13500, and beyond that we can see 13. So in between this, yes, there is a little support at 13460 levels. Beyond 13500 we can expect it to hit 13580, and above that sky is the limit. However, largely I think it is going to be a swingful day where we may see a larger swing, because today is the last day or trading day for the month, we have to trade with caution. It can be a wild day today. On the downside, if you see it trading below 13,230 levels, yes, you can go short here. The target is going to be 13,150, and below that we can expect 13,100, 13,040 and 13,000 levels. If it breaks below 13,000, sky is the limit. We may see 12,900 also today on the chart. So take your positions accordingly. Go short only once it is below 13,230 levels. We may see a sharper drop there towards 13,150, 100 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Trade always with stop loss. Shift always your stop loss at cost once your trade is in profit. And don't keep holding in red even it tries to reverse. You have to shift your stop loss at break even at cost always, and then only you can profit. So take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at US30. US30 on the 2-hour charts appears that it may try to give you a stronger drop, lower highs here, and then second red candle. Probably once it breaks this zone at 33,700 and 33,650, these two levels are very important for US30. If it breaks 33,650, first 33,700, if it breaks, we may see it dropping sharp. 33,650 levels to provide a support, 33,600 to provide a support, and below that we may see a sharper drop in US30. It may try to come back till towards 33,400 and below levels. 2-hour stochastic looking downwards, and MACD trying to converge and crossover. RSI is near to comfort zone, neither overbought nor oversold. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, this is the first red candle, and see, this is the stabilization zone. It has seen a wall there, and whenever we have seen such walls happening or giving it a stronger resistance, we have seen good fall, and same thing can be expected. Now one can remain short below 33,700. The target is going to be 33,650, 600, and then below that it may try to fall sharply towards 33,400 and below levels. How far this could go? See these two outliers. It can try to come back till towards 33,400, which is going to be a very strong support. Below that it can break heavily. 3-hour stochastic looking downwards, and MACD trying to converge here, crossover, that is possibly we may see. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, similarly on the 4-hour chart, see lower highs is what we can see. Support is here at 33,700. Once it breaks 33,700, it will directly land towards 33,600 and 33,600, 33,500, and below that it will try to hit 33,400 and below levels. See, this zone at 33,350 is very important support. I have always maintained if it breaks 33,350, it is going to drop sharply on the downside. Look at this, the 4-hour stochastic was overbought. Now it is looking downwards, and MACD is trying to converge from here. Hence I will be watchful if it can try to drop from here. And RSI is not showing any signs. Look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, couple of observations to make. It has formed a double top. Lower highs have been achieved, and hence it crossing 34,000. That is what, if it tries to touch 34,000, you can go short again. Probably from there again it may try to come down, and breaking 33,700, we can see a sharper fall, which will try to bring it towards 33,450, 400 zone. And if it breaks 33,350, we can see a further sharper fall. Daily stochastic looking upwards, MACD trying to converge here, and RSI not showing any signs there. So daily, on the daily charts, probably it appears we may see a green day. However, on the minor time frames, it is largely bearish. It may try to drop, but I will be trading with caution. Considering this, let me give you the trading levels for the day. So before I give you the levels, see, if you want to gain the same expertise and if you want to learn the same strategy to how to make profit, you can join my learning and mentorship course, which is starting on 9th of May, 15-day session, 90 minutes daily. And we will be also providing you recorded video sessions so that you can always refer to it whenever, or you can also contact us for any live support. So first, learn and invest in your learning. Reach out to me for details. Either you can mail me or reach out to me via Telegram. Both are mentioned in the email, video and channel description. Also, you can be part of my VIP signal group. Reach out to me for details. Now here today again I'll be recommending you to go long only above 33,840 levels. Beyond that 33,900 and 33,970. Beyond that, it will try to hit 34020, and if it breaks this, it is going to be flying towards 34100, and plus levels will try to break it towards 34180. It can go till there. There is a larger resistance out there. On the downside, breaking 33700, you can go short here at 33700, and we can expect that it is trying to hit 33650, which is nearest resistance, and below that 33600. After that, it will try to land towards 33500, 33400, and 33350. These levels at 33350 are going to be a very strong resistance. Below that, we can expect 33200 and 33,000 levels if it continues to drop from there. So take your positions accordingly and trade with stop loss, and always keep shifting your stop loss at cost. Enter 10 times. Nobody denies you. If you are very sure, if you are very confirmed that it is going to enter in your direction, going to trade in your direction, enter 10 times, enter 100 times, but at least keep shifting your stop loss at cost whenever you enter. This will help you prevent your capital, if not lose, it will help you prevent your capital, and then you can, if one chance you get succeed, definitely you can make profit. So trade accordingly, don't try to over trade. Trade with caution. Today it is going to be largely swing day, so trade with caution. And this is all from my side. Reach out to me for details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. My email ID and Telegram ID mentioned in the video description. Thank you.